first step, you want to get a screwdriver and you want to get some masking tape. We will take a piece of this and wrap it around the screwdriver, and then once we have that, we'll start prying around this area around here. This here should just pop right out like so. For the passenger side, you want to put your screwdriver in this area here. There we go. Kind of like a good pop. This here should be loose, and what you want to do now is just work your way around that way. So it's all out of the clips now. We want to go over onto that side and unplug the wires. So from the driver's side, to get my light, we want to unplug these for the push to start button and the ones for the AC unit. Those right there are the little tabs you want to squeeze. They will release the push start button. Now for the AC unit, we want to go underneath here and unplug those two. There's one cable. For the other ones, there we go. Just want to pull it out. So we also want to pop it out from the right side here. And it is out. So now to the center console here. What we want to do, you want to start prying it from underneath while pulling it up. What you want to do is open your armrest up so that it doesn't get in the way of when we remove this. So while pulling up, you want to pry from underneath. So this side here is picked up, but this side still seems to be in place. What we want to do is, now that this here is all loose, we want to pick up this area here. You could either pick up this, or if you could pick up the boot, whichever way works better for you. If you have this iDrive system, like I do, you will need to reach underneath here, and there are some wires for us to unplug here. So the wires are located over here. Just pull it straight down. So to take out the wiring for the shift indicator, it is located right there, and just go ahead and unplug that. So currently this is what we're looking like, and pretty much this is still held in here. But the reason we unplugged it from here is so that we can get some more room when we pull this out, so that it's not held in there. And I think that's all the wires now. I will just give it a good pull up and see if it comes up. So I sort of ran into a small issue here, as it's not giving us enough room to pull the center console out of here. I will have to connect the start button back and put it into neutral. If you're removing your start button, all you have to do, if that's all you guys are doing, is in the back there are two clips, one here and one here, and all you do is just squeeze them, and now I will connect it so we can put the car into neutral. Make sure your e-brake is on, don't forget. It's in neutral. I want to put this on the side, and almost, oh. From neutral went into drive. That gives us plenty of room to remove our center console. Alright, so it's a different day now. I ended up wrapping these off camera. My battery was low, and you guys know how wrapping goes, so I just decided not to film that. But the wrap came out amazing. on mine. As you can see, it's pretty worn out, so I will try and see if I could wrap this. It should just pop right off. Has 4 little tabs all around it. Now that the old cover is off, with the little black notch towards the bottom, you're just taking your new cover, slap it right on here. Give it a couple of presses, and there you have it. Alright, so here it is. That looks insane. Can't wait to get it on. Now on to the rest. For this one, all we do is just put it in here, align it straight, and just give it a push. Part we will be changing out the spark plugs. I'm getting a misfire in cylinder 3 under acceleration, as you can see in this video here. If that's happening to you, that is due to your spark plugs. So I will be switching all of mine out while I'm down there. We're gonna just take out this one here, right there, and then there's also one down there, which is a bit of a pain to get, but not if you have extenders. Special socket. It is for the spark plugs to unscrew them, and what I did was I duct taped it to my extender. That way it will not get stuck to the spark plug, as it does have a magnet, and that way I can just pull them both out. And I will have a link to the socket in the description below. And here's the other one.